Are you Mr. David Giss?
Yes, I am.
Hi, sir. Come on out. We have a surprise for you. So we want to congratulate you
on being our first ever Gator Metal Roofing Metal Bucks sweepstakes winners.
Awesome! Yeah!
Congratulations.
Thank you. I didn't think this had ever happened. I filled out the paperwork.
Yeah. So
I told the person when I filled it out, I never win. I told her that too.
you're going to get your entire home covered with a Gator Metal roof.
Sweet.
Top of the line, lifetime warranty, Gator Metal roof. Everything's going to be covered for you, installation and everything.
Love it.
Yes, that is amazing.
Tell us, where did y'all first hear about the sweepstakes? Where did you enter at?
At the fair last year.
Okay.
County
So you
fair.
saw our big sweepstakes van
Yeah.
there. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
And it's what a way to help out the community.
We're a North Carolina company and we help North Carolina homeowners, and we've had great success this past couple years, and so we felt like this was a good way to give back, to let somebody, you know, just get a sweepstakes out there and give somebody a free roof. Now I see your shirt says you're a Vietnam veteran. Did you serve in the Army?
I was actually Navy.
Navy, okay.
Proud to be an American, I'll tell you.
Yes, sir. Well, and we're happy to be able to serve you this way too, and to give a little back.
We're on a fixed income, which is Social Security, my disability, that we wanted to have a fairly new roof because that's one of the most expensive items on the house.
Mm-hmm.
To have this done is going to be awesome. That's one expenditure that we don't have to fork out for the rest of our life.
Have y'all ever thought about having a metal roof? Have you ever considered it in the past?
Yes.
Yeah, we have, but it's just really expensive.
We try to make it affordable, but for you, it's absolutely free. I don't know if you knew this. Our roofs, some people save up to 40% on their energy bills. So not only will you have a new roof, a beautiful roof, but hopefully those energy bills will start coming down a little bit.
From what I understand, the way the paint is and stuff, it reflects more of the heat.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, exactly.
The sun and stuff.
Yeah, we got no fade paint technology, so there shouldn't be any fading, cracking, anything like that. And again, it is covered with a lifetime warranty. So if there ever is an issue, if something falls and dents or anything like that, which shouldn't happen, but if it does, we'll be right back out here to fix it.
Sweet.
Do you think having a metal roof will impact the value or the curb appeal of your home?
Oh, yes.
Oh, definitely. Definitely, I really do.
So sharp.
Mainly because of the way that it looks.
Mm-hmm.
The other thing is going to be the warranty on it. It's going to do nothing but increase the value of our home.
Well, we really couldn't be happier for you guys. I'm glad you're veteran, help serve the country. We love to give back, and we just want to thank you, not only from us. It's a small team here. It's a big company we have, a big operation to do this, to make sure we cover the whole state. And when we found out we were traveling all the way to the coast to Edenton, North Carolina, I said, you know what, that's perfect.
Yeah.
And we couldn't be happier.
We get to keep our sign.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, that's your big check for a free metal roof. Yeah. Gator Metal Roofing.